Start. The meeting was held on Saturday after the National Conference on Addressing Issues Faced by the State Judiciary, organized by the Supreme Court under the guidance of CJI Sanjeev Khanna. Stop. The idea behind this conference was to engage in a meaningful dialogue with different stakeholders and functionaries in the state judiciary, especially the district courts, to first understand the challenges being faced by them and thereafter, chalk out a plan to address the same. Stop. The conference had four technical sessions, which covered diverse topics affecting the performance of the state judiciary. Stop. The first technical session was chaired by Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna and co-chaired by Mr. Justice Abhay. Stop. This session held discussions on ways to narrow the gulf between institution and disposal of cases, identification of case types flooding the judicial dockets, identification of bottlenecks in case disposal, strategies to reduce backlog of cases at different levels. Stop. In the second technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice B.R. Gawai and co-chaired by Mr. Justice Narasimha. Stop. The feasibility of having a uniform case categorization in different courts was explored. Stop. In this session, ways to leverage technology better to optimize the judicial processes was also deliberated upon. Stop. In the third technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice Surya Kant and co-chaired by Mr. Justice Maheshwari, there were discussions about timely recruitment of judicial officers and court staff, continual recruitment oblique empanelment of public prosecutors oblique legal aid counsels oblique legal aid defense counsels, creation of permanent IT and data cadre in all high courts and district courts, the need for an objective and transparent transfer policy of judicial officers, and measures to enhance objectivity in the process of recommending suitable candidates from district judiciary for elevation to the high courts. Stop. In the fourth technical session, which was chaired by Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna and co-chaired by Mr. Justice Vikram and Miss Justice Bela Trivedi, there were discussions on career progression and continuous performance evaluation of judicial officers, mentoring of judicial officers by inspecting judges as well as state judicial academies, need for establishing a common curriculum for training and capacity building of judicial officers, and ways of ensuring accountability of judicial officers and court staff.